In this short Train Trac tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to generate the training completion report from the Training Analytics page. First, you must be logged into Train Trac as a supervisor or an administrator. From the Home landing page, under Oversee, select Training Analytics. Next, you can scroll down to find the training module that you would like to select, or you can use the search bar to locate the training module. Select the training module that you would like to generate the report for. Then select the Completion tab. This screen shows all the users that have been assigned to this training module and the date they've completed the training, if they completed it, and how they're scoring on the quiz. This information can now be exported to a report that can be opened in Excel or Google Sheets. Simply click on the new Export icon. You'll have the option to filter this report by position or facility. By default, all employees from all companies are included. To change the filter, you can expand by facility by clicking on the Expand Collapse icon. And as you can see, all are selected. The All button will also work as a toggle to select all for that facility or deselect all. So if I want to only include the production text for Sunny Acres Dairy, I can select this way and then click Export. Now I can see the report is being generated by the progress bar in the lower right. Once this bar turns green, I can click on the down arrow to download the report. This will create an Excel formatted report that I can use Excel or Google Sheets to view, edit, rename, and print the report. This is what the report looks like, and from here I can format that report. I can exclude columns that may not pertain. This report is listed in the order of training status with completed training first, then in progress, and then pending. It includes the full username, the status date, and the quiz score, along with information as far as what positions and facilities the user belongs to. I hope you find this new report very helpful. Thanks for watching.